Hi, welcome back to the short tutorial. In this video, I will teach you how to log into your Snapchat account using your computer. So how you can do it, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to open your browser on your laptop and here you have to search for the web.snapchat.com. This is the link. So Snapchat recently gave a new feature now. They provide you a web version. So simply you have to go on this link web.snapchat.com and after that login page will appear. You have to give the login details of your Snapchat account and you will see this type of the interface. From here you can send the snap streaks by just turning on the camera, and you can also read the message but you will not able to open the snaps from here. So this is the way to log into your Snapchat using your computer. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.